And being hot is a mindset. It's all in your head. Unless your parents get really mad, then don't blame me. Don't wait to look a certain way because you're already beautiful. Hi everyone, my camera is shaking. You can see my reflection, but we're gonna ignore my back profile because I don't like it. But yeah, in today's video we're gonna do some of my favorite hot girl outfits, hot girl summer outfits. And yeah, I'm super excited for this video because this is my time, and being a hot girl is really a mindset. I'm gonna give you some tips throughout the video, so make sure you watch till the end for some extra confidence on, yeah, like hot girl summer. Even though like it's really bad here in India regarding the pandemic, we can still have a hot girl summer in our rooms by just getting ready and taking some hot girl summer pictures. So don't let them stop you. It's better than being irresponsible and going out. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get on with the outfits. So this is the first outfit. We're gonna do like the basics first, and if you gain confidence in like the risque basics, you will be able to wear something more adventurous, let's just say. So start off with like a simple white tank top and some jeans. These are Zara mom jeans and they are light wash. I've been really into this light wash denim, and I'll try branching out with more styles, but like baby steps. So I love how this fits, and yeah, so it really cinches my waist, but fits my thighs, but it's not like uncomfortable, super comfortable. What I would change is this portion is kind of funny on me, but I still wear it because I don't really mind it. And yeah, this whole outfit is from Zara, but I love this outfit. I'm not gonna be doing shoes because I'm at home and that would be too much effort and you can't even see it. So yeah, let's get on with another top that I would wear this jeans with. So yeah, so this is the second top. This is like a basic strappy black top. This one's from H&M, but I'm sure you can find it anywhere. I love how this fits, and it's ribbed, so I think that's really flattering. And yeah, I'm going to show you some other like basics you can use to dress up. If you're afraid to show your arms, like maybe wear like a cardigan on top and see if you're comfortable. If you're uncomfortable, you can just throw it back on. Boom, done. Problem solved. So yeah, let's get on with the other outfits. Okay, so this is like a blue cami top, and these are like mom shorts. These shorts are from Only, and this top is from Zara. I'm obsessed with this like sky blue, pastel blue color, and I know it's like different clashes of blue, but I think it's like almost monochrome without being like over the top, I suppose, because you have two different shades of blue. But I really like this outfit, and if you're feeling adventurous, this is really cute. I also have, if you are planning to be more covered up in the shoulders, a top like this. This is a yellow button up top, like beautiful summer color for, yeah, hot girl summer. And you can cover your arms, but it's still like cropped, so it's like comfortable and like easy to wear. You can wear this so many ways, and it has like buttons. That is so cute. But yeah, I love this top, and you can wear that too, so it's giving you range. But yeah, you should definitely get a pair of mom shorts because it's so trendy and comfortable. I'm obsessed with this outfit. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get on with the other outfit. Okay, so now we have this purple top and this skirt. This skirt is from Star, I think, and this top is from H&M. Yeah, purple is my favorite color, so I had to incorporate a purple look. I think this is very girly vibes, so if you're femme, on the femme side, this is really cute. It's like a frilly skirt and like purple crop top, and it's like a t-shirt. It's not covered, it's not like form fitting. So yeah, it's super cute, super wearable. You could wear to the beach, or like if you're going in like a flower garden. I think this is really cute. During golden or something. Yeah, this is definitely not like there's like some print and like floral print or some kind of print is kind of trendy. It's almost grandma-y prints. I would suggest. I would dare I say. But yeah, this is a really cute outfit, and I would definitely wear it. So you should too. Now you don't understand. I'm obsessed. So if you can see a little bit of my food, baby, that is okay. This top is so cute, and so I have put my skirt really high. So like this V-cut looks makes my body look more hourglass than it is. It's definitely not hourglass, and that is okay. But if I want to make it look hourglass, then this is like a good method. So this top is from Urbanic, and this skirt I got from like when my mom went street shopping. She bought this for me a while back. More than this in my other videos. So yeah, you can get any plain form-fitting skirt, and I think this is not too short. This is like the perfect length. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this blue and like this watery print. I see like tops like this a lot. So yeah, if you want to live your Pinterest fantasy, and like this is like a good fancier outfit. Unless you're extra, then you can wear this to the grocery store, wherever you desire. And yeah, so the extra tip is like this kind of cut for like an hourglass effect, you know. And being hot is a mindset. It's all in your head. So if you look in the mirror and say, yeah, I'm gonna wear this outfit that make me look cute, even if it's a hoodie or like the ugliest outfit ever. If it's in your head that damn, I look good, I look hot, then it is the universal truth. So yeah, affirmations really help, so you should do that. Like, what is that? I am rich. I'm gonna get that bag, and I'm not gonna get copyrighted. So yeah, that song, you know. But I love this outfit. Super cute, I guess. But yeah, matches my nails kind of. Yeah, my nails are really crusty, but I'm obsessed with this outfit. On to the next outfit. This is one of my favorite outfits from this entire video. This kind of inspired the video. Like if I was Flora from Weeks Club, I would wear this. So cute. It's this red sports skirt. This one's from Reebok, and this mesh top with cherries on it from Urbanic. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this outfit. I cannot wait to wear it. And since it's kind of small on me, I want a nude bra, so you can't really catch any wardrobe malfunctions, I suppose. But this is so cute, and it's really strawberry shortcake but hot girl summer, I guess. So yeah, I'm obsessed. You don't understand. I'm obsessed. This is the second last outfit. Thank gosh, because like this video would have been so long. You can also wear this with this little monochrome moment, like this red t-shirt I have here, and this would like be a fire outfit, literally, because it's red. But a monochrome moment, like even with red shoes, it's so extra, and I love it. I would totally wear this like all red outfit. That would be so cute. Can you imagine? But yeah, if you're that bold, spicy, then definitely go for that. But on to the last outfit, because this has been a long video, but let's get on with it. So this is the last outfit. This is the fanciest outfit, but this is a black LBD, a little black dress, and this one has little ties. So you can wear it like halter or crisscross or whatever you like. I like wearing it like this, but you can switch it up, get creative. But this is really form-fitting but flattering. It's not too huggy. It's like really breathable and comfortable. Even though it's black, I love it, and I would definitely get good use out of it. This with like white sneakers. I'll insert here how I styled it. But super cute, super chic. Yeah, I'm out of breath because I've been searching all these outfits up, but yeah, I'm obsessed with this dress. This one's from Forever 21, and I solely bought it because of this Kendall Jenner outfit I saw, and it looks very similar to that outfit, and I'm obsessed. You love to see it. And with that, we come to an end to this video. And yeah, rock that outfit you want to wear. Don't think twice. Don't let anyone stop you. Unless your parents get really mad, then don't blame me. You know, my terms and conditions apply. I can't talk, but when I'm tired, I start speaking really fast and I fumble. So yeah, I'm sitting on this chair. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I love Hot Girl Summer. Thanks to Megan Thee Stallion and all the baddies that invented it. I think Megan Thee Stallion made this term, but yeah, I don't know. I hope you have an amazing Hot Girl Summer. Stay safe. Make sure you're getting hydrated, and every body is a bikini body, so wear whatever you want. Don't wait to look a certain way because you're already beautiful. Yeah, I just need to tell you all that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you liked it, and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll appreciate it. Bye. See you in my next one. Thanks for watching.